occasionally when we're going through the yards, we run into obstructions such as water lines, drip system lines for trees, and then like this, we got a footer from between the gate here, and we're going to accommodate that by using the jet vac and blowing a water jet hole underneath it, and then put our conduit underneath those. And that same we would do with water lines or any other utilities that may be in the yard. Now they're going to trench from our box here in the alley and tie it into the trench that goes all the way to the house. Then they're going to run the conduit from the house all the way through that trench, and then they're going to drill a small hole in the side of our box and push that conduit through. That way we have a path from our handhole all the way to your house. Now they got the conduit from the house all the way out to the handhole. And what they're going to do is they're going to tie that fiber to that rope that's inside the conduit and pull it back to the house.